Hi.
Good afternoon.
Very good afternoon.
How are you?
I'm good.
I'm also good. Thanks for asking. I greet you all in this wonderful and happiest moment. I'm so happy and joy to be here with you and stand in front of you. Now, I would like to share some beautiful words about myself. I'm Charanya. I have completed 10th class at PHS school in Apparavapalam. I am from Ratna's world. My hobbies are listening music, read stories and stories. My likes are I like myself, I like my parents, I like my friends. My aim is to become software engineer. My great strength is my hard work. My role model person is my father Brahmaya Garu. My inspiring person is R.K. Sir Garu. He is my trainer. Coming to my family, we are 4 members in our cute family. What are they? My father name is Brahmaya Garu. He is farmer. My mother name is Sunita Garu. She is a housewife. My brother name is Chaitanya. He have completed ITI electrician. And I already all of you know very well about me. Thank you, my dear friends, for giving this great opportunity.